important topic. Today is 15th August. Today in 1947, India got its independence. We celebrate this day in every part of our country by hosting a flag in our schools, offices, and even in societies. Also, India's Prime Minister hosts a flag on 15th August and give us few lines also which is broadcasted all over Indian televisions. We celebrate this day on the occasion. We celebrate this day on the occasion of getting freedom from the Britishers after almost 200 years of their rule. 15th August is also considered a national holiday as we all celebrate this day irrespective of our religion. We all come together on this occasion. People also dance on patriotic songs and even give speeches and thank all the freedom fighters by remembering their sacrifices. So guys, we all should come together and celebrate this day. Happy Independence Day.